Greetings, students. In this short video, I am going to show you how to install SketchUp for your assignments. I am currently in my school email. As you can see, I'm going to go up to the upper right-hand corner for the Google Apps. That's the 9 little dots, 3 dots by 3 dots. I'm going to click in there. This is all of the Google Suite apps that I have added to my particular account. When I scroll down to the bottom, I've already installed SketchUp right here. You will not see this. You'll have to go to More from Google Suite Marketplace. And then up here in the Search Apps bar, you're going to search for SketchUp for Schools. It pops up. You're going to click it. You're going to click the little icon here. And on yours, where it says uninstall, on mine, it should say install. Click that and then it'll add it to the Google Suite and you'll be good to go to finish your assignments. Have fun. I hope you enjoy it. More coming up later. Bye.